In video 19, we created a tool bomb, and in video 20, we assigned that tool bomb to a routine. These routines are assigned to production orders. That means you can use tools in production. The advantage is you have the complete overview of where your tools are at a particular point in time, how often they've been used, and how long they've been used for. This is great for maintenance and tracking of your tools. To get started, open up a production order. Select the production line and open up the routine for that line. You'll notice there's a new menu option, sToolTracker, where you can view the tool bomb for this particular routine. You notice these are the required tools and the use location for those tools. They're currently checked in to the storage location, so now we need to make use of them and put them into our work center. Open up the production journal for this line entry. You notice there's a new menu, sToolTracker, which allows us to use the tools. Select this. Select Use. And now we have the Use card. We're able to check out those tools into our work center. You notice the current location is already filled in, which was the tool store. As this is a serial number tracked item, we need to choose the correct serial number. This is the standard serial number card, which we're probably already used to. Put the quantity in, and we're able to check out that particular item. You need to repeat that for all tools on our bomb. Speed it up a bit. Now choose Post Print, Post. We post the items to the journal, which means they're now usable in our work center. Close the card and close our production order. We now have complete tracking for our tools which are used in the production order.